All right.
Hey, I got.
No, hold on.
You get the video. I got the stopwatch.
Yeah, give me. I need like a minute to talk to this thing.
You got to talk to the booth.
There's no way. What could possibly go? This is our department head. What could possibly That's our fucking department head.
In this world of men, he is legend.
It happens. I need to stand up.
Hey, put your head next to it.
You're fucking dreaming.
Look at how big it is.
This is bigger than most girls I date, and that's saying something.
He's already got like a ridiculously large head, and look how big that is next to the
So,
head.
hey, sorry, Jerry. Sorry.
Alright, there's no way.
Here we go.
I won't throw up. I'm gonna be.
Is that Guinness?
That's Guinness.
Oh my god. Oh my
What
god.
could possibly go wrong? Should I get my phone out? Everyone's
God, Larry was here.
I feel like you're being a bitch right now. Just take it to the
Hey,
No,
wait,
just I don't have my
who
phone
counted
on.
last time? Was it you?
I got a stopwatch.
Nice and slow.
Just
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm not ready. Just a sec.
You
Just
took
a
so long. My phone timed out.
Is there a time? I will wait until that phone touches your lips.
It's gotta be 30 seconds.
No, slow.
Just a sec. Just a sec.
I gotta get to my lips.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my god. Do it. Open your mouth.
Got it.
Oh.
Hey, you only have 9 seconds. Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going. Do it.
Say 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3,
Go.
go.
Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Do it. Do it. Open your mouth. Come on.
Go.
There's more. Drink it. Drink it.
Put his name on the wall, lady.
Was that 26 seconds?
That phone was just wrong.
Put.
There was some left in there.
Was that 26 seconds?
That was 24 seconds.
Navigation.
Drink the foam and Guinness? How did I drink this?
It needs to say Navigangster.
Oh my god.
Mark Navigangster. That's my department head. How come I do 2 of those?